Are the new BMWs really smarter or just more complicated? Is the new BMW generation more reliable, or does advanced software create new problems? Do BMW's new digital systems always work, or can they suddenly freeze without warning? Do new technologies genuinely help the driver, or do they become a distraction over time? Can the electronic issues of modern BMWs actually be solved, or are they inevitable? Are the new BMW electric and hybrid models truly ready for everyday use in real conditions? Do software updates improve the car's performance and reliability, or can they make things worse?
And most importantly, is the new generation of BMW a real step forward or a risk for buyers today? Today we answer all of these questions by clearly explaining what truly changes in the new generation of BMW, what problems drivers most often encounter, and above all what the real, practical solutions are, without myths, exaggerations, or marketing hype.
The new BMW generation is built around one core idea: transforming the car into an advanced technological platform that evolves over time, much like a smartphone, while still preserving the driving pleasure that has always defined the brand. This marks a significant shift. A modern BMW is no longer just about the engine, the chassis, and the suspension. It is now equally about software, digital architecture, and intelligent system management. This transformation brings undeniable advantages, but it also introduces new challenges that many drivers are still learning to understand. One of the most important changes lies in the electronic architecture. New BMW models use a centralized digital structure with powerful computing units that control infotainment, driver assistance systems, vehicle dynamics, and essential vehicle functions. Instead of dozens of independent control modules, many systems now communicate through a smaller number of high-performance processors. This allows faster data exchange, significantly reduced wiring, and improved efficiency. For the driver, the benefits are clear: quicker responses, smoother system integration, and the ability to receive new features over time. The downside is that when a software issue occurs, it can affect multiple systems simultaneously, even if the mechanical components are working perfectly. One of the most frequently reported concerns involves the iDrive system. Some users experience temporary lag, slow responses, or occasional freezes. This does not mean the system is poorly engineered. Like any complex digital platform, it may require periodic resets and regular updates. The simplest and often most effective solution is a forced restart of the system, performed by holding the volume button for around 30 seconds. Keeping the system updated is essential because BMW continuously releases over-the-air software updates that fix bugs, improve stability, and enhance performance without requiring a visit to the dealership. Another common concern is the voice assistant. Many drivers expect it to behave like a home assistant, but the in-car environment presents unique challenges. Road noise, varying accents, and unclear phrasing can reduce recognition accuracy. The BMW voice assistant performs best when drivers use short, direct commands. This limitation is not hardware-related, but part of the software's learning curve. Over time, updates improve both recognition and responsiveness, making the system more reliable with regular use. Driver assistance systems are another major topic of discussion. The new BMW generation introduces advanced features such as adaptive cruise control, active lane keeping, automated traffic assistance, and in certain conditions, hands-free driving on highways. A frequent question is whether these systems always work. The honest answer is no, and this is intentional. Dirty sensors, faded lane markings, heavy rain, snow, or poorly mapped roads can cause temporary deactivation. The solution is often simple: keeping sensors and cameras clean, ensuring the software is up to date, and understanding that these systems are designed to assist the driver, not replace attention or responsibility. Electric and hybrid BMW models raise additional questions. Many drivers notice that real-world driving range is lower than official figures, especially in cold climates or during aggressive driving. This is not unique to BMW and applies to nearly all electric vehicles. The new BMW generation introduces more efficient batteries, improved thermal management, and smarter energy control systems that adapt consumption based on driving style and route. Using the built-in navigation system is especially important as it preconditions the battery for fast charging and optimizes energy usage throughout the journey. Some drivers report slow or inconsistent charging at public stations. In most cases, the issue is not the car itself, but the charging infrastructure or communication errors between the vehicle and the charger. Software updates play a critical role here as well, improving compatibility with different charging standards and reducing interruptions during charging sessions. Reliability is often questioned when technology becomes more complex. Modern BMWs are not inherently less reliable than older models, but they are more dependent on proper software maintenance. A vehicle that is regularly updated and correctly configured can be extremely dependable. Ignoring system alerts, postponing updates, or using outdated software increases the likelihood that small issues will become noticeable over time. Many longtime BMW enthusiasts worry that excessive technology might reduce driving pleasure. BMW has deliberately separated driver assistance systems from core driving dynamics. Steering feel, suspension behavior, throttle response, and chassis balance remain central to the driving experience. Multiple driving modes allow the car to adapt from comfortable and relaxed to sporty and engaging, ensuring that the driver always remains in control. Another often overlooked factor is customization. The new BMW generation allows extensive personalization of displays, shortcuts, assistance levels, and system behavior. Many perceived problems are simply the result of default settings that do not suit the driver's preferences. Taking the time to configure the vehicle correctly can dramatically improve daily usability and overall satisfaction. Over-the-air updates cause concern for some owners who fear sudden changes or reduced performance. In reality, BMW thoroughly tests updates before releasing them and often allows drivers to delay installation. These updates are designed to improve stability, security, and functionality rather than reduce performance. Avoiding updates for long periods is generally riskier than installing them. This leads to the final question: is buying a new generation BMW today a good decision? The answer depends entirely on the type of driver. If you want a modern, connected vehicle that evolves over time and you are comfortable with advanced technology, the new BMW generation is among the most complete options available. If you prefer a purely mechanical, analog driving experience with minimal digital involvement, you may be looking for something else. The new BMW generation is not perfect, but it is not fragile or unreliable either. It is a vehicle designed for the present and the future, where software plays a central role. Understanding how the systems work, keeping them updated, and using them correctly is the key to enjoying everything this new generation has to offer. If you want a follow-up video with step-by-step tutorials, real-world problem solving, or advanced configuration tips, let me know in the comments.